Welcome to the Chernobyl challenge. I'm gonna lick this glowing pole. Let's see how many views this gets.
No plan, no shoot, just content.
Bathing in liquid cement until it hardens. Let's get solid.
Hey, real talk. That trick you showed us before, using Cloud Skills Boost and Student ID to get VO3 for free, it's broken. Google patched it. Give us another unlimited working trick.
This is the last working trick you'll ever need. No Cloud Skills Boost, no Student ID, zero hassle.
Google caught wind of the old loophole. They patched it fast. So if you tried and failed, relax. You're not alone. The good news? A community dev has created a Hugging Face space called Jinijin-Free. It's a publicly available wrapper that lets you generate VOE3 videos in Hyphen browser for free. Full links in the description. Bookmark it. It's like ordering pizza, but instead of pepperoni, you get a robot ninja cat. Write your prompt like this. A man going to fight with an angry gorilla. You only need one line. Watch your creation unfold.
I broke into a zoo to prove one man is enough to fight a gorilla.
You can open multiple tabs to generate several videos concurrently. Each tab acts like its own session. Remember that time you opened 30 tabs and forgot why? This time, just do it on purpose. Hugging Face hosts the model. It doesn't rely on Google's lab infrastructure. That's why you don't need Google credentials. This is content creator gold. Shorts, intros, AI stories, everything. Drop a comment if it's working for you. I love seeing your creations.